What's going on, guys? 6:30 in the morning. Had to wake up my little babies so they could go pee before I leave off to work. And this is their daily routine. I'll show you guys who they are. This is the big guy. This is the oldest. He's 10 years old. His name is Weenie. We call him Weenie Boy, aka Poppy. He's the alpha of the little house. He's such a big baby. This is the youngest, Big Luna, aka Lunoch. She's such a baby too. She is a Crescent Canario mixed. She's very smart. When she's not hyper. Lunoch. She likes her belly rubs. She likes when I scratch her chest. My dogs are very good dogs. I raise them up to be good as possible. They don't bark at people. They don't bite. They'll only bite, try to bite, when you're playing with them. But besides that, they are very friendly and they just want to be petted. And this girl here is scared of everything. She's a trash bag in the road. She'll be scared. She's scared of the car noises, everything. But yeah, I'm letting them recover because last week we did a 20-mile hike and their muscles were sore, but they're feeling much better now. So it's time to probably take them out for a walk later. That's their favorite word. Lunoch, you like doing walks? You want to go for a walk? That's her favorite word. And of course, look at this guy. And of course, we got the big mama, second oldest. She's a lazy butt. Took her out to the restroom and she'd rather come to her bed. She's such a sweetheart too. How big mama. She's such a baby. She loves cuddles. If I would let her, she'd be cuddling with me in bed all day. She's recovering too. She did 20 miles too. She loves her her back scratches. Those are her favorite. How big Mama Luce? Very smart girls. They know how to do tricks. They know how to give you the paw. They know how to give you kisses. And her favorite word is walk. You want to go for a walk? Later, okay? We'll go for a walk later. And treats. You want a treat? And those are her favorite words too. Yeah, these are my fur babies. Look at him. She'd rather sleep in and be in bed. They are very happy dogs. So happy to have them. And of course, this guy's a big baby. He's always hungry. Always complaining for food. He was adopted. We adopted him from I think it was Petco or PetSmart, but he's 10 years old. He's been with us for 5 years. And obviously he has his little shirt. He can't be naked. And he loves his back rubs. He gets mad when people touch his tail. Yeah, these are my family right here.